Uncovered fake internet gurus, how to tell. Okay, you see it all the time, right? I had $1.87 in the bank and within weeks I was making millions of dollars, and I want to show you how I did it. Okay, so if you've heard these and you're a little skeptical, you should be. However, that doesn't mean that you can't learn how to make money online from reputable people. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tell the difference between a fake guru and a true internet digital marketer, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you watching this video. I really do. It's my last video of the day. I've shot 12 videos today. That's a lot of videos, but it's all for you. This is your channel, guys. So on this channel, what I do is I teach you how to make money online. I try to save you money by showing you things you shouldn't do. Now, I've been selling online since 2009. I've made millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and all I do is share with you those tips, tricks, and techniques that you could use to make money also. In addition to that, I have a course below. It's a $97 course, but for you today, it's absolutely free. All you gotta do is click the link and learn. No credit card required. I also would appreciate your comments. Some of you have had experiences with gurus, and I'd love to hear about that. Put that in the comments below. Let me know what happened. Let me know what was going on. Was it good? Was it bad? Some of you may have had great experience, and if so, I'd love to hear about that too. If you have questions about any of this or anything to do with making money online, put it in the comments below. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do so. Hit it, and wait. Ring the bell. Turn the bell on. Ring the bell next to the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications. That way I could let you know when I do a new video. You'll be part of the Fisher family. You'll be part of the VIP group, the folks that get to stand in front of the line. In front of the line. That's you, right? In front of the line. That's all you got to do. Turn on all notifications. Let's jump right into this now. Let's check out these fake internet gurus. Now, if you take a quick scroll through Facebook, or you're watching any videos right now like mine, you may even see ads on my videos, and these people may or may not be somebody you want to listen to. Okay, but how do you know the difference? That's what this video is all about, so I can show you the difference so you know where to put your money and where you could possibly lose it. Some of these guys are going to blatantly lie to you. They're going to tell you stuff that's just not true. They don't mind taking your 97, your 197, your 997,
big money today, or 24 hours,
and just taking off with it and you getting no results whatsoever. But I don't want that to happen to you. Now let me get this out first. Not all internet gurus are fakes. There's some of them that have achieved a lot of things and they're passing on that information to you, and you can use it and you could be very successful too. That doesn't mean that you're going to be as successful as them. However, you know, if a guy's made, you know, several million dollars, I've made millions online, doesn't mean you're going to make millions. However, if it could help you make 100,000 or 200,000 a year, would you be happy with that? So, and I'm not saying you won't. I mean, maybe you will make millions. You know, a lot of people do who started from nothing, but we've got to figure out which one is BS and which one is the real deal.
but I need to make this money in one day. All right, but I need to make this money online. All right, but I need it to be big money.
I'm not going to show you some way to make $5.
All right, well, this seems legitimate so far.
Okay, so let's look at some of the red flags first. What are the things you should look for that will tell you that you're probably dealing with a fake guru? The first one is they don't have a real business outside of their course business. Okay, they're not really selling things online. All they're doing is selling you on the promise of making money online. They're telling you how to do all these things, whether it's drop shipping, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's running Facebook ads, whatever it is. If they teach you these things and they don't do these things, yeah, it kind of tells you something, doesn't it? If they're so into this particular thing, let's say affiliate marketing, and they don't do any affiliate marketing, they're just selling courses on it, that's got to tell you something right there. That's red flag number one.
Who has time to learn a new skill when I need to be making big money? I can't figure out how my underwear gets wet after I use the bathroom, let alone some kind of complex system for making big money online. Thank God.
Big in one day.
In 24 hours, cash. This is how we do it, my guy. You ready to learn?
Number two, they almost always have an outrageous backstory. Okay, I had $1.87 in the bank and I was just getting ready to get evicted from my apartment, and I was living, you know, next to a crack house, and now I make, you know, $100,000 a month because I discovered this system. Okay, it's not true. It's not true. Okay, a backstory like that's kind of crazy. I would much rather buy from somebody who had an education, who knew something about business and grew it from there. Now my backstory is I didn't know anything about selling online. However, I was in business and I knew what to do as far as advertising and stuff like that, and I transferred that over to learning how to make money online, and I still do it every day. I own a survival food company right now, and it's done great in the pandemic. We sell a lot of survival food right now, but that is a real product, and I did that for years before I ever taught anybody how to make any money online whatsoever. The next thing is they constantly try, and this is number 3, they constantly try to impress you with material possessions. Okay, they're going to be standing next to a jet, or they're going to be standing next to a Ferrari, or they're going to be in their garage with their Ferrari in the Beverly Hills mountains or whatever it is that you see online.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
They're going to be trying to show you all these trappings, making you think, well, they've got so much money, they must know something. Okay, I don't do that. I don't show you anything I have. I have a decent bank account, which is nice, but I'm not going to show you a fancy car, because that has nothing to do with teaching you how to make money online. What has to do with teaching you how to make money online is showing you the things that work and you getting results. I don't care that you care about my house or my car. Number 4, they only offer generic information. So on this channel here, you can go through this channel and you can learn a lot about affiliate marketing, about drop shipping, about SEO, all kinds of different subjects. But a fake guru will just say, I'm going to show you all that once you join my course. You will have all that opened up to you. The window of opportunity will be there. Okay, if they had such a wealth of information, why wouldn't they share some of it with you now and let you get some results before you buy the course? If they had the information, they'd give it to you. The answer is they probably don't have it. If they're giving you a bunch of generalizations and nothing you can apply and actually use, they're probably a fake guru. And number 5, the only online presence they have is the fake guru presence. And what I mean by that is they don't really have a real social media in there. They're not really a real person on Facebook. You can't really read about their bios or anything like that. Everything is geared around them selling you on them. They could be a fake guru. Number 6, I just want to help you. I just want to help you. I just want to help you. That's all. I just want to help you. No, I'm sorry. Now I do videos to help you, and that's true, but I sell courses and I want you to buy one of my courses. I really do. Okay, I want you to get my Facebook ads course or my digital cash academy, or Ecom Road, or one of my courses. That's what I really want you to do ultimately. But the only way to do that is to really show you these things work. If I give you information and you put it into practice and you get good results, you'll probably come back and buy a course from me. But I have to give you good information up front. If they're not doing that, then there's a problem and they may be a fake guru. Number 7, they are experts in whatever is trending right now. I know a guy, you probably know him too, I won't say his name, but he did a bunch of videos. One of them was about his Ferrari in his garage and all of his books, and that week I can't remember what he was selling that week, but it was some program. And then the next week he was selling coaching, and then the next week he was selling affiliate marketing, and then the next week he was selling drop shipping. He didn't even do any of those things, but whatever fad was hot at the time, that's what he would do training on. Now I do training on a lot of subjects, but I do affiliate marketing, and I actually do drop shipping, and I actually sell physical products, and I actually sell courses. All these things I actually sell on a daily basis. If they don't sell any of these things and they're always going from trend to trend to trend, number 7 says they may be a fake guru. Number 8, they get extremely defensive. If you say anything to them, if you dig at all, if you say, what do you sell, or where have you sold this, or where can I find your products, and they get extremely angry at you, obviously there's a problem, because they probably didn't do any of these things. They probably didn't sell physical products. You can't find them anyplace else. You can search me on Google and you can find Survival Cave Food. That's my main company. That's where I made all my money, is Survival Cave Food. I make some courses now, and I make money on some courses and some training and some coaching, but Survival Cave Food is my main company. Okay, and we're a real company, and we sell survival food. We sold it all during the pandemic. You want to check it out, by the way, Survival Cave Food. You can Google that. But bottom line is, I have a lot of people who actually sell my products too. You can find it on a lot of sites out there. You can find it at Walmart's website. You can find it at Amazon. You can find it at tons of survival sites. My products are out there, so I do these things every day. If these people are getting defensive because you're asking them what they've sold, they may be a fake guru. So here's the truth. I'll be honest with you. I'm gonna sell less courses and make less money than a fake guru. I just will, because I'm not going to tell you that you can go online and make millions of dollars and not have to do any work, and it's going to happen overnight, because it's not gonna happen. Okay, I mean, I guess you could get super lucky with something viral, but the odds are you're not going to. That's not going to happen. I also can't tell you how much money you're going to make, because I don't know what your work ethic is. I don't know how hard you're going to work. I don't know how bad you want this. If you're not willing to put forth the effort, nothing I teach you is going to work. It's just not going to work. For these fake gurus to say, you just do this, man, and you're going to make tons of money, it's not true, because doing what you need to do to make money online is hard work. It takes effort. It takes nights, it takes weekends, it takes hours and hours of sitting at a desk and pounding out. It takes failures. It takes all this stuff. Can it still be done? Of course it can. Do a lot of people do it? Of course they do. Do most people do it? No, they don't, because most people are inherently lazy. They want certain things, but they don't want certain things bad enough to do what they need to do to get those things. You can make money online, you can make a ton of money, but don't be looking for the quick fix. Don't be looking for the overnight cash. Don't be looking for big money tomorrow. Big money, you can make big money tomorrow. You're gonna hear that a lot out there. That's not what you're gonna be profitable with. That's not what you're gonna be happy with. And besides that, when you do hard work and you achieve something, you're gonna feel pretty good about yourself. So you're not only gonna earn some money and do well, but you're gonna feel good about the fact that you went through the tough part of doing this. And it can be done. I don't want to discourage you. It can be done. Watch a lot of my videos on this channel. Take time, put forth effort, prove it to me. Watch 50 to 100 of my videos. You could do that in a few days. 50 to 100 of the videos on this channel. This channel has over 500 videos, approaching 600 videos. I know people out there that have done over 2,000 3,000 videos on their channel. That's hard work. But you'll find a lot of gurus maybe have 50 or 100 videos, and it's all about telling you that you don't have to do any work and you can make a ton of money. Don't believe it. Now, if you've had experience with some of these people, put it in the comments below. Let me know what's happened with you. Let me know what you've tried. You know, let me know what's worked. I mean, some of you may have had great experiences with some of these people. Also, don't forget, I have a course below. It's a $97 course. It is absolutely free to you for a limited time. All you have to do is click the link and learn. No credit card required. I also would appreciate it if you would subscribe. There's a big subscribe button down here next to it. Guess what they got next to it? You won't see it yet. Once you click, it's red right now, you click it and it turns gray, you're gonna see a bell. The bell's gonna look just like this, and it'll ring only if you click it. And then once you click it, you've got to turn on all notifications. Now if that bell doesn't ring, check the volume on your computer. Okay, up the volume just a little bit, and I'm sure you're going to hear the bell ring. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, something, some reaction, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.